Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dogs experiencing pain may have a faster and more shallow breathing pattern than normal. They may also pant. You may even notice a change in the movement of the abdominal muscles and/or those of the chest. Both sets of muscles are involved in the breathing process.
Let's help you make your mark.
For most dogs, rapid breathing during sleep is nothing to worry about. The most likely explanation is an exciting dream, in which case the rapid breathing will come to its natural end as the dog's sleep cycle changes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Remember, panting is normal for a dog after exercise, excitement, or when it's hot. Call your vet immediately if any of the following applies. Your dog's panting starts suddenly. You think your dog may be in pain.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some common reasons dogs pant heavily include heat stroke or poisoning. It's normal for a dog to start breathing harder or panting after exertion. And some dogs, like Boston Terriers, Bulldogs, and Pugs, are prone to heavier breathing than other dogs because of their short snouts.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rapid breathing in dogs may simply be down to excitement or exercise. Dogs may also pant when they're in fear, stressed or hot. Panting is one of the most important ways a dog thermoregulates. But beware, heavy or rapid breathing is an early sign of heat stroke and should be closely monitored.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.